Unlock a fun new way to connect with your closest friends on Instagram by mastering the elusive notes feature. Instagram notes are those short, ephemeral thoughts or updates you can share with your inner circle. Appearing right at the top of your direct messages, they disappear after 24 hours, making them perfect for fleeting thoughts and quick updates missing out. Let's dive into how you can enable and use this engaging feature. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. This is crucial as new features are often rolled out gradually. And an update ensures you have access to the newest functionalities. Open your Instagram app and tap on the paper airplane icon in the top right corner to head to your direct messages. Once you're in your DM inbox, look at the very top. You should see your profile picture and then a section prompting you to leave a note. If you see this, congratulations, you likely already have the feature enabled and ready to go. To create your first note, simply tap on that leave a note prompt. A text box will appear, allowing you to type your message. There's a character limit, so keep it concise and to the point, like a quick update or a funny thought. After you've typed your note, you'll see an option to share it with followers you follow back. This is Instagram's way of ensuring your notes reach your closest connections. Tap on this to confirm your audience. You can then tap share to post your note. And just like that, your note is live. It will appear at the top of your friends' direct messages for 24 hours. They can then respond to your note, starting a private conversation if you don't see the leave a note prompt. Don't worry, Instagram rolls out features to different users at different times. Keep your app updated and check back periodically. You can also try logging out and back into your account, which sometimes helps refresh the app and unlock new features. This feature is all about spontaneous connection, so next time you have a fleeting thought, use Instagram notes to share it with your inner circle and spark a conversation.